सुथियो क्या हुआ?
अच्छा
सुथियो.
अरे
हाँ जी,
दूध उबल
विजय
के
भाई,
बाहर आ
प्लीज
गया.
इंट्रोड्यूस योरसेल्फ.
Good morning, everybody. I am Vijay Shah from Mumbai, running a firm called Take My Care and Issues Auditor since last 45 years. मुझे एक चीज बताइए कि आप में से कितने लोग पैसे बचाने चाहते हैं? एक छोटी
ये भी
सी
कोई
बात
पूछने
है.
की बात है.
हाँ, तो हम सब लोग जो इंश्योरेंस पॉलिसी निकालते हैं, लाइफ हो, हेल्थ हो, प्रॉपर्टी हो, तो बेसिकली उसमें जो स्कैम होते हैं हम लोग डिटेक्ट करते हैं. तो एज पर आवर स्टडी इन द रिसर्च व्हाट वी फाइंड आउट, almost 97% of the company don't give the complete claim और claim deny करती है. वो मेरी ये सब ये 21 days के जो लॉकआउट पीरियड है, उसके लिए अपने जो मेंबर्स है eGrowth के, उनके लिए स्पेशल ऑफर है. We'll be doing the complimentary audit of your specially health policies. तो डेफिनेटली मैंने मेरा इंट्रोडक्शन लिखा हुआ है चैट में. You can send me the copy by the WhatsApp or email. We'll study and revert back to you. Thank you.
Welcome. Kamal.
Yeah. Good morning, everyone. This is Kamal Sachdeva from Continual Improvement Solutions. I'm basically a mechanical engineer and MBA, worked for corporate for nearly 22 years, and mostly all the areas, lastly as plant head. And post-working for the past 15 years now, being on the other side of the table, I am providing the services of all sorts for the profit generation for any type of company, anywhere in the world as of now.
Can you be slightly loud?
Yeah.
Yeah. And Kamal, you did not share which city are you from?
Yeah, I am from Gurgaon. I stay in Gurgaon with my dear family and operating pan-India and world as well now.
Yeah. Sanjeev ji.
Yeah, good morning everyone. I'm Sanjeev Ahuja from Gurugram. I run a company called RS2B2 Private Limited. We are into Apple business for last 31 years. We are an Apple solution expert. We are not only selling iPhones, iPads, MacBooks, Apple Watches, etc., but we are also supporting them. We are an information technology company which has successfully run IT solutions to over 11,000 clients in last more than 2 decades. We can implement video conferencing solutions. We have storage solutions, and we are also into all kinds of IT annual maintenance contracts. So not only the Apple business, I have a multi-brand car servicing workshop in Gurugram. In case you happen to be there in Gurugram, come over, and I'm also looking after the inner circle of Gurugram. We would like to have you over here attend as a guest with us. Thank you.
Narayan ji.
Yeah. Good morning. This is MV Narayan, basically from Mumbai. I'm basically a business consultant. I've been in the insurance industry for many years, and now started business consultancy along with a partner of mine in the areas of financial product services. Also started customer loyalty programs, and I'm also into digital courses for anybody who wants to start a course. I can help them out. So in case you want to get in touch with me, I can give you a free consultation as long as you want. Thank you.
And also Narayan ji is going to be the speaker on Monday. Narayan ji, would you please tell what topic will you be speaking on?
The topic will be basically on understanding the assets and liabilities, and what are the different types of assets and what you should be focusing on.
Great. Thank you. Raj.
गुड मॉर्निंग. मेरा नाम राजू कदम है. मैं बॉम्बे विले पार्ले से हूँ. मेरी कंपनी का नाम है iCast टेक्नोलॉजीज. हम लोग वीडियो पोस्ट प्रोडक्शन करते हैं पैन इंडिया, और एनिमेशन इंडस्ट्री में है, पोस्ट प्रोडक्शन इंडस्ट्री में हैं, फिल्म, सीरियल्स, ऑडियो विजुअल्स बनाते हैं कंपनी के लिए। मैं कहना चाहूँगा हम लोग OTT प्लेटफॉर्म के लिए भी काम करते हैं, जैसे कि ये अपना बैजूस जैसे एजुकेशनल सॉफ्टवेयर है, उस टाइप के हम लोग काम करते हैं। कंपनी वीडियो प्रोफाइल बनाते हैं, कंपनी प्रेजेंटेशंस करते हैं, और उस टाइप का हम लोग काम करते हैं। और मैक्सिमम हम लोग इंडिया में सर्विस देना चाहते हैं। हमारे कॉम्पिटिटर बहुत बड़े हैं, उनसे हम लोग उस लेवल पर काम करना चाहते हैं। हमारे पास एडिटिंग स्वीट्स 300 प्लस है। हमारे पास काम करते 600 के करीब लोग, डे नाइट प्रोडक्शन होता है। That's it.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Nirav bhai.
This is Nirav Vora from Rajkot, Gujarat. We are
yeah, thanks.
Yeah, voice is coming?
Yes, absolutely fine.
Yeah, this is Nirav Vora from Rajkot, Gujarat. We are involved into manufacturing of decorative wall paints.
Welcome. Yeah. Mithilesh ji. You were muted, so आप फिर से बोलिए please.
In fact, good morning.
Good
morning to all. I'm Mithilesh Jha. I'm in logistics, international freight forwarding. Our office is in Nehru Place. In fact, our multiple offices. In fact, we have our offices in Mundra, Gandhidham. We have office in Nehru Place. We have office in Ludhiana, Panipat. So, and we have our office at China, Guangzhou. So we are basically in international freight forwarding. We have our own CHA license. If anything related to export and import logistics, we are a good hand. So anybody who wanted to do export and import, they can be in touch with us, and hopefully we can reduce their cost and efficiency also, logistic efficiency plus cost also. This is our services.
Great. Bhuvnesh Thakur. Bhuvnesh. Ashish Bansal. Shri Vidya. Yeah, Bhuvnesh is speaking. Bhuvnesh, can you please switch on your video?
I have already switched on. I don't know why it is not coming.
Okay, no worries. Yeah, please speak. Yeah.
Bhuvnesh Thakur from Avitoma Technologies. We are manufacturing Ethernet switches, home automation products. We are based out of
Ahmedabad. Yeah. Shri Vidya.
Yeah, hello everyone. Hi, this is Shri Vidya here. I'm from Mumbai. Hello.
Yeah, please.
Yeah, I am from Mumbai, and
can you please switch on your video?
The background is not very interesting.
Okay,
please.
no worries.
Yeah, tomorrow I'll manage.
Done. Yeah.
Okay. So, hi, I am Shri Vidya here. I'm from Mumbai. I am an astro-numero vastu consultant. I am a psychic reader, a mystic healer. I teach about wealth abundance, and I'm also an emotional intelligence trainer. We run under the company of pureenergyacademy.com. We also have an advertising firm that's called Miracle Zone Advertising, where we are your esoteric advertising partners. So I will send you the chat in the chat box. You can contact me.
Great. Ashish.
Good morning, friends.
Yeah.
My name is Ashish Kilson from Delhi. I am a RERA certified real estate consultant, deals in commercial and residential properties of all major developers, Noida, Greater Noida, Ghaziabad. Investment starts from 6 lakh to 25 crore. Thank you.
Thank you, Ashish. So Ashish was the first person who paid 200 rupees today morning, and the sound is really good of money coming in. So he was the first one who paid for this, attending this event. Thank you, Ashish. Prerna.
Good morning, everyone. Myself, Inna Arora. I'm a financial consultant and help individual and corporates with insurances, wealth creation, mutual fund investments, portfolio management. We are in the industry since last 1 decade. And we also conduct financial awareness seminars for the corporates. And these seminars are mainly free of cost in Delhi NCR, where we teach them how to manage their funds, how to start investment when they start their jobs, particularly for the employers. Then also for the business owners, we have many solutions to work out on the taxes. So we help them out with that. Thank you so much.
Great. Arjun?
Hello.
Arjun? Or can you go to Manish? Yeah, Arjun is speaking. Yeah, please, Arjun.
Sorry for the yeah, good morning, everyone. So this is
Yeah,
Arjun
please be
from
loud.
Chennai,
Yeah.
Tamil Nadu.
Okay.
Can you hear me?
Yeah, we can. Yeah.
Yeah, okay. So this is Arjun from Chennai, Tamil Nadu state. So I'm a software developer. I'm working in the industry for the last 11 years. So currently I'm working for a startup. So we are doing a product for solar design, PV layout design.
Fantastic. Great to hear from you, Arjun. Manish?
Yeah, I am audible.
Yes, you are audible. Yeah.
Yeah. Hi, good morning, everyone.
Morning.
Myself, Manish. By profession, I am chartered accountant. I'm providing the business solution. If you notice from tax department, like income tax, GST, or any statutory compliance, when we are ready to help you. Thank you very much.
So Manish, we are losing your voice. So
your voice is cracking.
Yeah. So though we got most of it, next time please look for a better place in your home where the signal is better. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Shantanu ji, can you please introduce yourself?
I'm Shantanu. I'm from Bombay. I'm a director with a wealth management company called Angel Broking. I have been in the BFSI space since 91.
Thanks, Shantanu, for being on the call. And you would be the most sought after person today because everybody wants to, one, latch on to the wealth they have. Second is how to create more wealth.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah. Thanks. Naveen, can we please have your introduction?
Hi everyone, this is Naveen.
Naveen, can we have your video, please?
Adulji, today I am on a moving system, so I don't know how good it would be.
Okay, fine.
Let me see.
Done. No worries. Yeah.
Like what comes up.
It's awesome.
So, okay. So, hi everyone. Good morning. I'm Naveen Gill, CTO for Project Gospel. So, we are into cyber security, and we endeavor to protect everybody from scams and frauds that are happening online. So, today I'm not on my usual system because of audio issues, but I would be here connecting with everybody.
Fantastic. And you're from Gurgaon, right?
Yes. Oh, sorry. From Gurgaon. Yeah.
Okay, great. So, so now let's move on to our speaker of the day, Qussai Daginawala. Qussai, now the stage is yours. First, you please start with your introduction, and you can share the presentation that you want to share with all of us. And please switch on your video. You got an awesome photograph.
Yeah, just a minute.
Yeah. Anybody else who's not introduced? I think everybody did, right? Yeah.
Yeah, hi guys. So, hi. So my name is Qussai Daginawala. I represent my company Avitoma Technologies. We are based out of Low Parel, Marathon Icon. We are into software services and we are into cyber
Lower
security.
Parel in Mumbai, right?
Yeah, Low Parel in Mumbai.
Yeah, thank you.
Mumbai, Amchi, Mumbai.
Yeah.
So Atulji, I have actually requested you for the PDF file that I've sent on WhatsApp. Is it actually possible for you to bring on screen?
Let me try. I'm not very sure. Let me just do that.
Not an issue, sir.
So okay,
Nowadays
so
we are also
so while I am getting the presentation, you please continue with the conversation.
Sure, sir. Sure.
Yeah.
Just a minute. So guys, we have developed a particular application, which is a digital business card application. So guys, I just want to know from, each of you who uses a physical business card for his or her business.
Yeah, we do. Shantanu, yeah, we do use it in our office.
Okay. Okay.
I think everyone do that.
Okay.
Physical cards are
Okay.
required.
That's great. Okay. Okay, that's great. So tell me guys, what are the challenges when you get a lot of business cards when you actually network? What are your biggest challenges when you use business cards?
Finding out the relevant one whenever it is required.
Okay. Anybody else?
Mostly we actually stack them up and we keep it in a place, and then we don't remember why we got the cards and who's the person and whatever, and then it's just lying there. That's it.
Superb. 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 Anybody else? Atulji.
Yeah. I
Atulji, do
am
you
not
have any
able to get.
problems?
Yeah, if you can please share the copy from your desktop, that'll be great.
Chhod do. So Atulji, tell me one thing. What is that which is a problem for you when you have lots of business cards?
So I'll show you one problem. So I've got these cards, and I've got around 5,000 of these right now all over my table. I got those cards.
5,000.
Yes, maybe more than that. And I've not entered them anywhere. So I've never sent a mail to them. I've never called them. That's the problem that I've been facing.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Anybody else? Anybody else?
I collect the cards and then spend some time in writing it down in a master book.
Okay.
The same thing what Atulji is telling. We are not doing anything after collecting the card.
Okay. Okay.
Most of the time.
I'm using Camcord.
Okay. And yes, sir. You are using actually you're using Camcord and sir, what's your experience?
It's good.
Okay. And sir, how do you use it?
Simply put a picture.
Okay. Okay. Okay,
Yes,
great.
I
So guys,
shared your document.
super. So sir, this is the app that we have made. It's called Evo Connect, and Evo Connect Enterprise is for business to business. Our next slide, please.
Yeah.
Yep. Thank you. So basically, the funda of actually having this card is whatever you guys shared now. I had the same problem. So I used to actually go to networking events like BNI. Now I'm into corporate connections. I'm also into eGrowth. So there are a lot of cards, and I did not know how to.
Just a moment, yeah. Are you able to see the document?
Yeah,
No.
but in smaller size.
And I'm not able to see where is it.
It's only on WhatsApp chat, no?
No, I've already downloaded it now.
Please go ahead with presentation, else time will kill. So
yeah,
Atul ji can
yeah.
sort it out.
Qussai, you please continue with your conversation. Qussai? Qussai, you there?
I think we have lost him.
Hello, Mr. Qussai.
Qussai?
Atul, look into EvoConnect deck.pdf in your system. EvoConnect.pdf.
इनफैक्ट सर इसके बाद की जो चीज है वो अभी कर लें, जब वो वापस ज्वाइन करेंगे तो फिर इसमें आए.
हाँ, आज का यही था. मींस आज को सही ही है. हो गया. अभी पहले इंट्रोडक्शन हो गया. So now we've got this. Baljit has just joined in. Baljit, can you please introduce yourself? Baljit?
क्या मंगाना है आपसे? एक तो ये वाइट वाला फॉर्चून लो. सामान बोलते हैं हम देख के सब्जियों में यहाँ पर कुछ. हाँ, प्याज.
Okay, so essentially
is not there.
Atul ji, agar
something else.
In fact, anyone else can give presentation. So even इसको presentation को बढ़ा के उसको 2-3 पार्ट में काट के वो करा लीजिए 2-3 आदमी का. भले तैयार नहीं है तब भी.
Okay, Qussai is back. Qussai got dropped. He's back. Hi, Qussai, you're back.
Sir.
Yeah.
Sorry. Yeah, Atul ji.
Yeah.
Internet connection to say.
No worries.
So, sir, what I was actually saying is that these were the issues when actually I had these many cards. So I used to forget whom I have met, when I have met, used to forget their faces also. So all this stuff actually said to me, this is my problem. What about the business that I am? What about the people that are into sales and procurement in my organization? They would also have the same thing. Now an individual problem ठीक है, but जब business में हम इतना invest कर रहे हैं, बराबर है, इतना networking में actually पैसा डाल रहे हैं, बराबर है, इतने sales वालों को रख रहे हैं, then there has to be a tool which helps them, and that also in a very economic sense. So the first thing that we did is we actually chart out all this stuff and we created an app which will solve all these problems. So the most important thing is that not only this you can manually feed, also have it is in Android and iOS, and you can make reminders, schedules, sync it with your Google Calendar. It is in Android and iOS, as I mentioned. It also has a web tool. And the user, you can also store all your social media connects or your social media links, which is your website, your LinkedIn link, Facebook, Insta, according to your departments, right? So your accounts department could have different collaterals, online collaterals. Your procurement could have a different, your sales could have different. So all this stuff can be actually done through this particular application. Second, the most important thing is today data has to be secured. So we have made this particular app according to the PDPA guidelines. If PDPA actually guidelines is a data protection bill that India has, passed. If actually certain people are aware of, these are the same guidelines which are GDPR guidelines. GDPR is also a Data Protection Act, but for European countries.
Okay.
Next slide, please.
Yeah.
This is the way that you can roll out.
Okay.
So any of you who wants to join with us, I want to say that this particular application for your business is initially 3 months free of cost. We take as many as users you want. For 3 months we will give you an admin panel where you can have your all your users. There's an import and an export section which is given to the admin panel. There is only an import section given to the user panel. So whatever cards that you make, for your employees, that can't be changed by the employee. So all the details you have to give them. The other most important thing is, what is the use of this particular application? So you have a dashboard where you will see where your employee is exchanging cards. The other most important thing is that because of churning in the industry, if the employee leaves the organization, his contacts are still with the organization, and the person who replaces him can get all the contacts. That's one of the plus point of this particular application. The other thing is, it can be synchronized with all your CRMs. So whichever CRM that you use, we can have a customized Excel which is used for your CRM, and we can actually do it for you. The other most important thing is that while you make your card, what we have seen is that we have our physical card, right? So we have our brand according to the designs and all the stuff that we have made. We can synchronize these particular designs to your digital card also, so that your brand image remains the same. So these are certain factors that I wanted to actually share about my card, about my app. But the most important thing today, what I want to discuss is not selling my application. I want you guys to actually be aware of the situation that we are in at this moment of time. There are certain situations which call for emergencies. There are certain situations that which will call for business also. There are certain situations which will call for hiring, or actually getting connect to your colleagues. This is the time when you can use tools like us and and actually prioritize it. You can label it, you can tag it, and which is very, very critical. Imagine today, if you want to do some NGO kind of a work, whom you will connect. Imagine if you want to actually reconnect with your prospective customers, or customers that you have served in the past, but this is the time that you want to get connected with. Imagine you want to connect with certain people that you have used that are very useful for your business, but you have not connected for so much time. So you can use this application for all these purposes. Today we have to empower two things. One is because of the coronavirus, whatever work we can do for the society. The other thing is we have to also look into our businesses.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you. Anything else? So all of you can.
How much do you sell it for, sir? What is the price?
Yeah, so we are pricing it. Yeah, so we are pricing it initially after your 3 months trial period. It is for 350 rupees per user annually.
Okay, and it all the data is in what format? Can we import it in Excel or any other things?
Excuse me.
Yeah, Qussai, the question is, can the data be imported?
Yes, yes. It can be imported and exported both.
What format do you use in this?
Excel.
Qussai, do you have a scanner also, which will I can just take the photograph of the person's card and get it entered onto this?
Absolutely. So the application has a scanner. We are using capturing our technology. So actually that's there. Also one more thing, we are actually coming up with bulk scanning solution also, but that will take approximate 15 days to 1 month's time, where practically you can bulk scan all your cards, give it to us, and we will make it in Excel and actually give it back to you.
And can I add fields, different fields into this if I want to add some fields?
Like remark or all that.
Yeah, remark and other things, like I want to
Yes, of course.
specify the customer type and contact type.
Segregation of contacts.
Yeah. So you can actually not only prioritize it and actually tag it, you can make notes also.
And
On
is the search, can I search using multiple criteria or only one criteria?
You can use it one criteria also, and you can use it multiple criteria also.
One also, is there any level of security of data? In fact, an employee can get all the data and can get out from the company with all the data. Is any security level of security?
Yes.
Who can see?
So we have used encrypted security in our codes. Apart from that, whatever receive cards that you can see of your organization, we can't see that. So we have actually documented that in our agreements also. So whatever receive cards that you get in your organization, we can't see that.
No, the question was, if the employee goes and if he takes a dump of the data, then he carries away the data with him. So
No,
you are talking about
he can't. So the employee can only import. Yeah, so the employee can only import the cards. He can't export the cards. The employee can't even edit his card. The editing and everything can be done only by the admin, not by the user.
Can employee see all the cards of the organization or only some of the cards which I authorize him to see?
No, so it is up to you. When you import cards in his folder, it is then up to you that whom you want him to get connected with. So he can't see he can't see the organization cards. He can only see cards in his account. That's it.
Okay, got it. Thank you.
Qussai, how different your application is from the cam scan or other things which are already available in the market?
See, sir, the basic thing is that the companies which have these services are all actually international. They are not used to the working conditions in India. And what actually differentiates us is that we are capable of actually doing this in a very economical way, and we know the demographics of the country. As we speak, we are also coming up with multilingual multilingual languages in the card. So this particular card, you're actually visiting card, can also be done in Hindi, English, and other 8 to 9 Indian languages. The person who will receive the cards will have an option to receive the cards of his choice of actually Indian languages. So this is something which differentiate us.
Can I add customer location to the record?
Sir, if your receipt cards would have all the addresses of the person who has shared his card. By the way, this you can actually receive the cards by QR code, by actually scanning, by nearby user, by an SMS and by email. And and in the same way you can actually share your card also.
Can I record the location of the card holder if I go to the Google Map and locate the person's address?
No sir,
I want to
no
save
sir,
it.
no sir, at this moment of time no. But tell me sir, why do you need an function like that?
Very
Why do
simple.
you need a function like that?
To anybody where the customer location is, I just share my card and he will know where the customer is.
So sir, they are caps that we have actually given in the card, where you can actually fill up that where you have met this particular person.
Okay.
If my customer does not have this application and I send the card to him, will he be able to read it and utilize
Absolutely not. Absolutely, not only that. This is one particular function that I have seen in no other digital business cards. That is, when you share the card, okay, you have two options. One is he can synchronize your name and contact number to the contact book of the phone. The other thing is, when he downloads this particular app given, we ask for a particular number of his. When he types that number and when he downloads the app, okay, he will receive the card, your card, in his receive cards. I'll actually again repeat it. When you share your card with him and he doesn't have the app, he has two options. One is to synchronize your contact to his phone book. The other is to download the app. When he downloads the app, we will ask him his phone number. Because of that, he will get your card in the receive cards. This is not available in any of the card application that I know of.
Qussai, many people are having the Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, Instagram references on the card. How this will be incorporated in your system?
So we have so all the social media link that you have shared right now, you can add all the tags in the card itself.
So what is the modality in which this will go into your system?
So when you download this particular card, we have this feature where you can add all these links. You can add your LinkedIn ka link, Twitter, Facebook, Insta, your blogs, YouTube, सब आप लिंक उसमें ऐड कर सकते हो. उसमें पूरा का पूरा सब
मैन्युअली करना पड़ेगा कि कैसे करना पड़ेगा?
मिस्टर कुसाई,
यस,
मैं ये पूछना चाहता हूँ, ये आपका जो एप्लीकेशन है जो आपके सर्वर के साथ लिंक्ड है, तो क्या मैं ये जान सकता हूँ कि जितने भी कॉन्टैक्ट हम लोग अपने ऐप में जो उस कार्ड के ऐप में डेटा हम लोग फीड कर रहे हैं, क्या हमारा डेटा सबका सिक्योर है?
जी, डेटा सबका सिक्योर्ड, इसलिए मैंने आपको बोला कि हमने GDPR गाइडलाइंस और PDPA गाइडलाइंस के हिसाब से किया है. आपका डेटा सिक्योर्ड है टू एन एक्सटेंट के हम लोग आपका रिसीव कार्ड्स का डेटा देख ही नहीं सकते. वी कैन सी दैट. द अदर मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंट थिंग इज कि हम लोगों ने अपना जो एप्लीकेशन है बराबर है, वो OTP बेस्ड एप्लीकेशन है. दूसरा जो वेब बेस्ड का जो एप्लीकेशन है बराबर है, वो आपका QR कोड स्कैन करते हैं. जैसे व्हाट्सएप का कैसे होता है, वैसे आप एक्चुअली व्हाट्सएप जैसा QR कोड स्कैन करके आप अपने वेब एप्लीकेशन में जा सकते हो. तो वो सब फीचर्स हम लोग ने पहले से ध्यान करके किया है, जो एक्चुअली अपने ना जो मोस्ट ऑफ द डिजिटल कार्ड्स में है ही नहीं.
नहीं, दूसरा सवाल ये था, क्या हमने जो एप्लीकेशन डाउनलोड किया आपके पास से खरीद कर, तो अगर आप अपने एप्लीकेशन को अपग्रेड करते, मॉडिफाई करते, तो अपने पास हमारे पास भी उसको वो अपडेट हो जाएगा ऑटोमेटिकली?
यस सर, 110%. अच्छा, इसमें
इसका मतलब हमारा डेटा सिक्योर नहीं है.
आपका डेटा सिक्योर नहीं है कैसे सर?
क्योंकि आप अगर वहां से एप्लीकेशन को अपग्रेड करते हो, जो एप्लीकेशन हमारे पास अपग्रेड होता है, तो इसका मतलब हमारा एप्लीकेशन आपके सर्वर के साथ कनेक्ट है। तो हम लोग जो भी डेटा फीड करते हैं क्लाइंट का, इसका मतलब आपके सर्वर पे भी अपलोड हो रहा है। मतलब
नहीं नहीं सर, देखिए मेरे एक सेकंड मैं एक चीज मैं आपको बोलता हूँ, अगर आप मेरा सर्वर इस्तेमाल करते हो या अभी आप एक्चुअली जूम के साथ बात कर रहे हो, तो ये जो भी कुछ है वो एक्चुअली जूम के पास है। आप गूगल में जब करते हो तो गूगल हम डेटा नहीं देखेंगे, हम नहीं करेंगे। तो हमारा भी ये है कि हम डेटा माइनिंग नहीं करेंगे। क्या हम कर सकते हैं? डेफिनेटली कर सकते हैं, बट हमारे वो डॉक्यूमेंट में होगा कि हम वो डेटा माइनिंग नहीं करेंगे। दूसरा एक और चीज जो मैं ऐड करना चाहूंगा, फॉर एग्जांपल अपने डिजिटल बिजनेस कार्ड का एक प्लस पॉइंट भी है। अगर आपने अपना लोकेशन, फोन नंबर और कुछ भी चेंज किया, तो जिन जिन लोगों के साथ आपने ये, बट कमिंग बैक टू योर क्वेश्चन सर, सिक्योर्ड है और हम सिक्योरिटी मेजर्स और भी अपने डीपली इंप्लीमेंट करेंगे।
Okay.
Qussai, is it possible to show a demo right now? I mean, if you have the application loaded onto it.
So sir, my humble request is you. I would. On this actual personal chat, I would hand and I will demo for all of you guys. That demo would be for 30 to 45 minutes. इसलिए मैंने अभी एप्लीकेशन का डेमो नहीं दिया है। मैं अपना नाम लिख रहा हूँ, कुसाई दागिनावाला। You can also connect me via email. Just a minute, please.
Okay, so while Qussai, you are putting down your coordinates on the chat, let us have an introduction from Amit Gupta. Amit, can you please introduce yourself? Yogesh Shudgire.
We request those who are not using it to kindly mute their microphones.
Okay, Yogesh Kumar, can you please introduce yourself?
Hello.
Yeah. Just a minute.
Business to providing
Yeah,
support
Yogesh, please
to
introduce yourself.
education.
Sorry, Yogesh, we missed you. Can you please repeat your introduction?
Okay,
सर
okay.
आपका आवाज नहीं नजर, अतुल भाई आपका आवाज
आ रहा है ना? हाँ जी, योगेश प्लीज इंट्रोड्यूस
सर आपका
योरसेल्फ।
आवाज नहीं आ रहा था।
हाँ अब आ गया।
हेलो।
हाँ जी
सर आपका आवाज क्लियर नहीं है।
हेलो।
या योगेश
आपको भी पता नहीं था, उन्होंने बोला था कुछ करा था, बाकी करो, मैं खुद बोला था या कुछ किया था, आपको क्या पता? हाँ क्या पता, अगर ऑनलाइन तो पढ़ रहा है ना, करना तो नहीं पड़ेगा।
Kamal voice is
कमल
pinging
का
again
कर दिया,
and again.
so muted Kamal. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, Yogesh.
So now all of you are getting my voice clearly?
Yes, absolutely. Yeah.
Okay. So myself Yogesh Chauhan from Delhi, and I have a educational app. It's an e-learning app basically. Right now, the closure of schools is giving exposure to our services, that how schools and parents can have a better services in terms of kids education. So we have a Flip Learn app, and we provide from KG to 12 all the subjects, all the grades.
Okay, fantastic. So Amit Gupta, are you ready to introduce yourself?
Yes,
Amit,
hi,
please.
myself Amit, and we are working in the telecom projects for all over India, and we are registered with the multiple corporates, and we are doing only enterprise business for Vodafone Idea, and pan India we are doing a implementation project for the network side. If we have any requirement from BSNL side, and we have a office in Nehru Place, and we are taking care for the hardware as well as support for the enterprise functions.
Great, Amit. Thank you. Yogi Udgire, he is gone, I think so. Qussai, we are back to you. Qussai, we are
Yes,
back
sir.
to you. Please.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. 2 minutes. हाँ सर बोलिए.
हाँ जी, तो आप कुछ बता रहे थे कि जी people can get in touch with you one on one, right?
Yeah. So guys, yeah. So I have shared my name, my email address, and my phone number. Please do WhatsApp. I will actually arrange for 10, 15, 20 whoever is interested in my app, and we will do a WebEx or a Zoom presentation. I'll actually take the name of all the right
Participants.
now all the participants who are on the call. Yes, are from you, and I will actually email them. All the details, email or WhatsApp them.
Perfect. And I would also like to add one thing, that in this profile, when you add, you can also add your eGrowth profile over there, like you add a LinkedIn profile or a Facebook profile.
Pakka, sir. Pakka.
Qussai, just one
Yes.
quick question.
Yes, you can. Sure.
Yeah, Naveen, carry on.
Qussai, are you also offering this app as a whitelisting services? Like somebody else can rebrand the app and resell it?
So at this moment of time, we are not looking into it, but we are actually,
Qussai,
open
we're
for
losing you.
conversations.
Qussai, can you please repeat? We
Naveen,
lost what you said.
Sure. So Naveen, what I was sharing is that right now we are not looking into it, but we are open for a conversation. So if you want to have a one-to-one conversation, we can have a one-to-one conversation. That's actually not an issue.
Okay. And just another thing, is the data, like the data is possibly secure, is it on under your servers or is it cloud-based?
It is at this moment of time in actually AWS.
AWS. Okay.
Cloud based. Yeah. Cloud.
So Qussai, thanks for all your time. All of us, can we have a thumbs up for Qussai?
Thanks, guys.
Thanks. So guys, I think it was a great conversation. Thanks, Qussai, for taking time out. I think all of us who are there on the call right now have introduced themselves. And now tomorrow, I will be the speaker and I will be talking about how you can leverage eGrowth for your businesses. Okay. Day after tomorrow, Mr. M.V. Narayan is going to be the speaker, and he will be talking about various asset classes. Okay. And then I'm in talks with then Wednesday, Manish Kumar is going to be a speaker, and he will be talking about various compliance issues for setting up a company and various other aspects. He'll be doing that. And if any of you are interested to be a speaker any of these days, please get in touch with me, and we'll fix up a slot for you. And being a speaker is a paid opportunity so that we can fund this entire exercise. Okay. And if you think there is somebody else in your circle who will benefit from this call, please share this link we can accommodate up to 100 people, and I think that is the strength of this particular platform. And we still have around 5 minutes, and it's an open house. If you got any issues that you want to discuss, something additional that you want to share, please feel free to do that.
Atulji, is
Mr. Qussai?
Yes.
Yeah, Mr. Qussai, I wanted to know, because everybody is talking as of now about productivity, profitability, cost reduction, and so many things are there in touch with, because I am a part of industries as of now. And everybody talks about the data-based application. Right. Coming back to your point now. So have you ever cross-checked that how much is the productivity increase or cost versus our own working ratio like that? So that in one go, I'll give you one example. Say if I tell you अगर आप आलती पालती बैठकर जमीन पर बैठकर काम करते हैं और खड़े होकर काम करते हैं, we have got a clear gut based data that you improve 36% productivity of any manpower. So like that way, can you quote us that this much productivity will be increased, or profitability, or cost reduction, something like that?
Okay, so one thing is that, yeah, so in every organization we have seen there's a ratio of 30 to 40% people getting a physical business card. Rest of the 70-60% do not get the card because they are back office people, they are office boys, they don't client face, तो उन लोगों को कार्ड नहीं मिलता बराबर है. यहाँ पे हम एक अपॉर्चुनिटी मिस कर बिजनेस मार्केटिंग आवर ब्रांड, जिन सकते मैं कहाँ पे काम कर रहा हूँ और क्या काम कर रहा हूँ, बराबर है. तो एक चीज हम अगर अपना कॉस्टिंग की बात करें तो एक फिजिकल कार्ड का कॉस्ट जो है ₹1.5 से लगा के ₹3 के आसपास आता है, बराबर है. ये कम से कम अगर हम 500 कार्ड एक के लिए प्रिंट करते हैं तो उसका कॉस्टिंग जो है करीबन आपका ₹750 से लगा के ₹1500 के आसपास आता है. तो उतने ही कॉस्ट में हम उन लोगों को कार्ड दे सकते हैं जो जिनके लिए फिजिकल कार्ड एक्चुअली प्रिंट होके आता ही नहीं है. दूसरा, हमने एक इनिशिएटिव लिया है, जिन लोगों को वो कार्ड की जरूरत ही नहीं है आपके ऑर्गेनाइजेशन के लिए, उसमें हम मिनिमम चार्ज करते हैं, मतलब जो ₹350 उससे भी कम चार्ज करते हैं ताकि उसको कार्ड हो, और एंड ऑफ द ईयर आप ही देखो कि उससे क्या क्या बेनिफिट आपको मिलता है. एक चीज ये हुआ. दूसरा चीज ये हुआ कि कार्ड के अंदर खुद जब प्रायोरिटी सेट है, मतलब हम लोगों ने एक्चुअली और वो ऐसे अपने ने ऐसा प्रायोरिटी सेट करके रखा है, बराबर है. टैग्स जिसको हम बोलते हैं, और दूसरा बोलते हैं लेबल्स, मतलब ग्रुप, जहाँ पे हमको अपने ने जितने भी रिसीव कार्ड है वो हमने ग्रुप बना के रखे हैं. अब हम ऑन करके देख सकते हैं किसके साथ हमको कब कनेक्ट, और फिर वो प्रायोरिटी के हिसाब से हम रिमाइंडर सेट कर सकते हैं कि कब उसको कॉल करना है और कब उससे मिलना है. तो उसमें प्रोडक्टिविटी डेफिनेटली इंक्रीज होगी. गेज करने की बात आती है तो वो बिजनेस टू बिजनेस होता है, बट हमने ये देखा है कि 3-4 महीने में आपकी प्रोडक्टिविटी कम से कम 15% से लगा के 20% बढ़ जाती है.
Also, Kamalji, if I could add just a small thing, the whole point of putting it possibly is productivity is one. Second is many people don't get the time to actually put all those details down and make the initial connect. So the way to look at this app is possibly is like in terms of possibility that what if the moment you add a new card, an email is sent automatically to that new connect, okay, so that you have landed in the inbox without doing the effort, right? So that is the one possibility. Second is also that digitally the updates that you see on LinkedIn, like all of the feeds, right, none of that is actually tailored as per people that you personally know. So this app is more about the possibilities that can be done, right? So productivity, of course, that is a factor, but a lot many things can be done with this app itself, right, Qussai?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Thank you very much that you actually articulated in a much better way than me. Thanks, sir. Thank you.
So guys, it is 10:30, and I am just like a simple thing like a business card. I never knew that it could be so important, and we could have so many different aspects related to security, related to efficiency, related to how much time you save, how much money you save. I think this conversation has been an eye opener for me personally.
No, it's also the case. Important is that you are leveraging technology for options.
Naveen, you're speaking, so we're losing you. Sorry, who's
Okay,
speaking?
no, Atulji, I was just saying that you are the biggest gainer in this. You have 5,000 cards lying around.
But I'll have to enter. Those are not digital already.
No, so there is that is the
This
way
app-
you can click the photo and it can get converted digitally. So
Yes.
yes, photos would have to be clicked.
Yeah.
So, sir, मेरा एक request है.
हाँ जी.
Qussai, I have a question. Qussai, I have a question. Whether this application can be linked to the PC or desktop, laptop, so my
Yes.
office staff can scan the card, and then it can be taken into my system. So
Yes, sir.
personally, I should not get involved in the scanning the card. I can have my office staff or my colleague who can scan the cards and can go automatically in the system. It's possible?
Absolutely, sir. Absolutely, sir. Possible.
Okay. Thank you.
So have you got somebody in Delhi, around Delhi, so that we can meet him and they can show the demo on our system as well? Because as of now, I have got around 8,000 plus cards with me, physical, and we have been setting the system in our Excel form.
Hello. Okay. So we can. So sir, what's your name? आपका नाम क्या है?
I am Kamal Sachdeva.
Okay. Acha, Kamal ji, what we can do is we can have a Zoom presentation and we can certainly have a solution around you. And we can do it from actually sitting in Mumbai. So, sir, distance at this moment of time is actually not an issue.
Yeah, that's
and
right.
if you have 8,000 cards of yours, we can also have a system where you can scan all the cards and we can do it in Excel. But आपने बोला कि वो already Excel में है, right?
Yeah.
Okay, great, sir. So let's have a one-to-one call, और उसके हिसाब से वो काम हो जाएगा, sir.
Sure. I have given my number on the screen in the chat. We can have a talk. I have also noted down yours.
सर आपकी वेबसाइट है क्या कोई?
एक सेकंड. हाँ सर. So मेरी वेबसाइट.
Please put in the chat, no? So everybody gets it.
Yeah.
तो कुसाई अब मेरा कमीशन भी सेट है इसमें, ठीक है?
100%.
अतुल जी कौन हो आप?
मैं ऑफलाइन बात करता हूँ तुमसे, ठीक है? It is 10:34. Our call is over for the day. If you guys want to carry on with some other work, please do so. All right, and let's catch up tomorrow morning. It was really awesome that today we had people started coming in by 5 minutes to 9:25, and we started in time. And we've had a very fruitful, great conversation. We look forward for another awesome session tomorrow. Okay, Yogi, just a moment. We've got Yogesh Udgire, whom we had lost in between. If he can please introduce himself. Yogesh Udgire, Hazir ho.
I'm very much there, Atul.
Yeah, please speak.
Am I audible?
Please, yeah, you're audible. Yeah.
Great morning to the growth champions of eGrowth. Nice to have. I was intermittently available due to the poor network conditions around here. It was nice, Qussai, to listen to you, the digital cards also. And Atul, looking forward to have great such breakthrough sessions which will take us on the growth path. And by the way, for everybody, I'm also a growth champion like you into the domain of digital marketing. Have a great day. Thank you very much.
All right. See you all tomorrow morning, 9:30. So there are no weekends, no Sundays, no Saturdays. We are working 7 by 7.
अतुल जी.
हाँ जी.
एक सर आइडिया है कि जो लोग नहीं बोल रहे हैं ना उसको आप अनम्यूट एकदम कर दे, सिर्फ वो आदमी म्यूट ओपन रहे जो बोल रहा है, उसके अलावा सारे अनम्यूट रहे।
हाँ, मैं सीख रहा हूँ, बीच में कभी कभी कर देता हूँ और कभी कभी नहीं करता हूँ।
नहीं सर, पूरा करो, और एक मिनट टाइम बर्बाद नहीं करना। ऐसा होना चाहिए कि फिक्स टाइम में बोलना है तो एकदम जल्दी, बहुत अच्छा होगा।
आजकल तो ऐसा टाइम चल रहा है, आप घर में किसी को कुछ बोल नहीं सकते हैं, बीवी को खास तौर पे, तो यहीं पे आके सब कुछ बोलना चाहिए ना। आप पूछिए, कहिए, बोलिए।
हाँ, वो क्वेश्चन आंसर सेशन में सब कर लेंगे ना सर, तो एक ही समय हल्ला होगा। अदरवाइज क्या होगा, जब एक बोल रहा होता है उस वक्त दूसरा चल रहा होता है, तो वो उसका जो प्रेजेंटेशन है ना वो बिल्कुल बेकार हो जाता है, जिसकी कोई गलती नहीं है। तो बाकी लोगों का म्यूट जब तक प्रेजेंटेशन रहे ना तब तक म्यूट रहे, और उसके बाद ओपन सेशन जब सर का होता है ना तब सबके लिए हो जाए, ठीक है, उस समय तो खिचड़ी पकेगी, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है, खिचड़ी में खा लेंगे सब मिलके।
हाँ जी, राजू हाँ जी।
कुछ लोग कैमरा के सामने, लेकिन किसी की आंखें दिख रही है, किसी का सर दिख रहा है, तो आपसे विनती है आप पूरे स्क्रीन पे दिखो।
नहीं, किसी लोगों का लैंप शेड नजर आ रहा है, मिस्टर श्याम का लैंप शेड नजर आ रहा था।
मिस्टर संजीव, आपसे विनती है, आप प्लीज आपको पूरा फेस दिखाया करो। मिस्टर नवीन, नीरव
ये जो राजू जो है वो उस फिल्म और वीडियो वाली इंडस्ट्री से हैं, तो वो उस नजरिए से हर एक को देखते हैं। तो राजू, आप किस दिन अपनी टॉक दे रहे हैं?
मैं जल्दी दूंगा।
जल्दी दूंगा, ठीक है जी।
जल्दी दूंगा।
बहुत सही बात है, बिकॉज अब जो दिखता है वही इंप्रेशन जाता है लोगों में।
एब्सोल्युटली, आपके घर का ये वॉलपेपर ना बहुत ही खुशनुमा है।
मैं ये कहने वाला था।
थैंक यू सर।
Okay, bye guys, see you tomorrow morning 9:30.
Sure, thank you very much, thanks a lot, thank you, bye.